Public Works Water and Sewer Division is an enterprise fund that operates, maintains, and manages the public water and sewer system within Calvert County. In this How Do I tutorial, we'll explore your water and sewer bill to better understand how and what you're paying for. Part 1. How much water and sewer did I use? Focusing on the center of your bill, you will see a tile on the left-hand side, which is broken down into segments. This is where you'll find a breakdown of how much water and sewerage you're being charged for during each billing cycle. Beginning at the far left, you'll find the section titled Readings. This is where you should also find your meter ID and dial number. This information is unique to your dwelling and could be required when seeking help with billing, maintenance, and any other assistance with your water and sewer needs. Moving to the right, you'll find the section titled Current, with a date and reading of your location's meter. In this section, your reading displays the amount in gallons used by your dwelling, up to the date beside it. This date is when your meter was last read. Check out our video, How Do Water Meters Work, for more information about how your water and sewer meter is read. Looking further to the right, you'll find the section titled Previous, with an earlier date and reading of your location's meter. This date is when your billing cycle began, and your reading is the amount in gallons used by your dwelling starting from the date your previous billing cycle ended. And finally, you'll find the section titled Usage, which is the total water usage for this billing cycle. The number shown represents the amount in gallons used by your location's meter, and equates to the difference between your current and previous readings for each billing cycle. Part 2. How do I know what I'm paying for? Curious to know what you're being billed for? Focusing on the center of your bill, you will find another tile, which is broken down into sections. These sections display the total amount owed for each service listed on your bill. Previous balance is where you'll find the total amount owed on your previous bill. Payments is where you'll find how much was paid, and balance forward explains how much you still owe. A $0 balance forward means that you are current on your payments. BRF, or Bay Restoration Fund, is a fee that was introduced by the state of Maryland to help upgrade Maryland's wastewater treatment plants. This fee may vary depending on your service location. To learn more about the Bay Restoration Fund, visit the Calvert County Health Department and search Bay Restoration Fund. Water is the total amount owed for water usage during each billing cycle. Sewer is the total amount owed for sewerage use during each billing cycle. Current charges is the total amount owed for each billing cycle, along with the date which your bill is due by. Making payments on or before the due date will help you prevent any unnecessary late fees. Part 3. How is my bill calculated? Understanding how your bill is calculated can be just as important as knowing how to read it. In this part, we will break your bill down even further to help explain everything that is applied to it. Starting with your base rate, or EDU. Every service location is assigned a base rate by the county. Base rates are established by the number of EDUs, or equivalent dwelling units, your location has been assigned. An equivalent dwelling unit, EDU, is a state and local unit of measure to calculate the quarterly average of a property's water usage from a development planning and adequate public facility standpoint, and the quarterly average of a given property's sewerage use if connected to a public wastewater system. An EDU is often stated within the closing document provided by your title company when purchasing a property. One EDU equals 18,000 gallons per quarter, or 200 gallons per day, of public water usage at the adopted rate. For more information, check out the On Tap newsletter, which comes with every water and sewer bill. A fixed-rate, unmetered sewer is a property that typically has a private well or independent water system, yet is still connected to public sewer. A location with unmetered sewer has a base rate cost calculated per EDU per quarter. And now for your variable rate. The variable water rate and variable sewer rate fees are set by the Board of County Commissioners and is measured by every 1,000 gallons being used. You can find the amount in gallons your location is used by referring back to the usage part of your bill. You can learn even more on the official Calvert County website, www.calvertcountymd.gov /water and sewer. Thank you.